So once you have done that, you can, let me zoom this on so that it can be visible. Once you have cloned, you have opened with your with your Visual Studio Code. Then, for instance, now we can do what? There is this files. These files for we have the new command tutorial on LaTeX. Let's visit. Let's put that. Let's upload those files. So our learning LaTeX. The folder is document. Learning. Where is learning? Where is document? Oh yeah, that one. LaTeX. Yes, and I want to put this new command and this one to our repository. Oh, it's open. Let me close it. Close it. Try again now. Okay. Then let's create a folder. Let's create a folder. Call it new command to tutorial. Command tutorial. Let's put that in that new command tutorial. Then in here we can also have a text document or useful links. We put link to the YouTube. We put link to YouTube for that video for part 1 and for part 2. Okay, so this is for part 1. For part 2. Yeah, let's save. Now once you're done with your story, when you go back to your GitHub, your git yeah, this one, GitHub desktop, you see the changes. So we'll do what we can commit here. No, you need to commit as code in update email. That's the person who is committing. So created a folder for new command in LaTeX. Extended description, you can also say that added a link to YouTube and commit to main. Then once you're done, commit to main, push, and once this story is done, once it's done, push it. You go ahead to, so now on your local repository there are no new changes because you have published that. If you go to our GitHub, and refresh the page, you will see take a few minutes. Yeah, you can see our here updated now. So let's check. Click that one. Just a few minutes, and yes, this is, you can see what we have added. We created a repository 10 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago. So we have the new command. We have the folder we have created. The command, you can see the useful links. These are the useful links. Unfortunately, you have to copy paste them. We copy paste them. This is just an example. Also, you have the tech, the code, the tech. You have it there. You can try it up. Also, you have the output version of it. Unfortunately, I have an extension that reads, that that downloads automatically PDFs, so you cannot view it here. But in your case, you should be able to view if you don't have such kind of an extension like I do have. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Congratulations, congratulations. You've successfully created a GitHub account, set up your profile, and created your first repository. Just know that GitHub is a powerful platform for collaboration and version control. And I hope that this tutorial has helped you to get started. So thank you. If this has helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. And until next time, happy coding and God bless you.